Hello everyone. In this video, we will see practical implementation of composite key. In last video, we have seen its definition and the syntax. The same example we are continuing. We have created here train details as a database. Then we are connected to the same database and till now there are no any tables in the database. First table we have created here is train with 4 fields: train ID, reservation date, bogie number and number of reservations. So if we want to see how many reservations are there for a particular bogie on a date and for a particular train ID, then we will have to input 3 things. That is train ID, reservation date and the bogie number. As you can see here, we have created train details as a database and now we are connected to that database. That database does not contain any table right now. Let us create a new table called as train with 4 fields: train ID, reservation date, bogie number and number of reservations, with the composite primary key as train ID, reservation date and bogie number. As we press enter, the table is successfully created. Then let us insert some records in the table. So first record is with train ID as 1001, then train reservation date as 23rd of September 2020, bogie number 1 and the number of reservations as 30. And this particular record should be successfully inserted. Let us check it by giving the select star command. So select star from the table train. Yes, the record is successfully inserted. Now let us try to insert the same data again. It is not allowing us to insert the same data again because the combination of train ID 1001, the same date and the bogie number, this combination does not allow us to insert it again. But individually we can insert the train ID 1001 in number of times as well as the date and the bogie number 1. So what we do is, let us make a change and have the train ID as 1002 and the date is same. Also the bogie number is 1 and the number of reservations as, let us make it as 24. Yes, the data is inserted. Let us check that. So this data is inserted with bogie number repeated and reservation date repeated. Again insert one more record with, now what we are going to change here, the train ID is the same and we are going to change now the bogie number. Let's have the bogie number as 4 and the number of reservations as 29. Let us check that whether data is inserted. Yes, we can observe that train IDs are same, date is the same, but bogie numbers are different. So that is the importance of composite primary key. It does not allow us the same combination to be repeated, but we can repeat the individual fields of a table. Thank you.